Welcome aboard this beautiful 2011 Marquis 500 Sport Bridge, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Marquis 500 is a well-regarded American-made luxury cruiser known for its combination of quality craftsmanship, seaworthiness, and comfort. Its exterior features a sleek, streamlined profile characterized by a raked windshield and a distinctive curved deck, which contributes to its sporty and elegant appearance. Designed for extended cruising and built for both performance and relaxation, this yacht is favored by those who want a reliable vessel for both short trips and long-range cruising. This yacht is designed to handle a variety of sea conditions, and its V-hull shape provides a smooth and stable ride even in rough waters. The craftsmanship and attention to detail are apparent in the fit and finish. The exterior gel coat is well maintained, and the stainless steel accents, deck, and high-quality hardware contribute to the luxurious look and feel. The Marquis 500 offers a combination of performance, luxury, and livability. The vessel offers a solid balance of speed, stability, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for families, couples, or small groups on longer voyages. The aft features a sizable integrated swim platform which provides easy access to the water, making it convenient for swimming, diving, or launching water sport activities. It also serves as a stable area for boarding a tender or personal watercraft. The spacious cockpit gives excellent ease of movement, beautiful views, and access to the swim platform, both side decks, the salon, and the flybridge. This cockpit is a safe and secure place while at anchor or underway, and there is plenty of room for chairs and tables in this wonderful space. The yacht is equipped with an outside galley that features a counter space, grill, and sink. The wide side decks make it easy to move around the yacht, even when underway, with tall stainless steel handrails and grab rails providing safety. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious deck area and a walk-around bow that makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The ground tackle includes a quick vertical windlass, a stainless steel anchor, and controls that are easily accessed at the bow or can be controlled from the helm, making anchoring safe and easy. The Marquis 500 includes connections for a washdown and offers a huge anchor locker. The Marquis 500 has a large and easy-to-access flybridge with wide, safe steps. The flybridge is expansive, offering excellent visibility and various seating arrangements, including options for sun pads, lounge, and table. From the helm, there is an unobstructed panoramic view and plenty of seating. When at the helm seat, you have access to the wide range of electronics and controls that the Marquis 500 has to offer. This includes a large Raymarine chart plotter, Raymarine VHF radio, spotlight controls, joystick control, trim tab controls, along with a full range of engine controls and instruments, and much more. Once inside, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable salon is bathed in natural light from the generous windows. The yacht's length provides ample space for onboard living and entertaining, with a well-designed layout that maximizes both usability and comfort. The interior boasts high-quality materials such as hand-buffed cherry wood cabinetry and designer decor with premium wall coverings and fabrics. This space features a large settee, chairs, and a beautiful table, with plenty of room for meals and for entertaining guests. To starboard, the galley is just a couple of steps from the salon and is fully equipped with appliances and has spacious and beautiful countertops and a stainless steel sink. Additionally, the galley is equipped with electric stove, microwave, stainless steel refrigerator, and freezer. The helm station is one of the standout features, offering excellent visibility, especially during long passages or when navigating in tight quarters. The helm station includes a large Raymarine chart plotter, engine controls, joystick controls, and much more. Accommodations are reached via steps that lead below to the central passageway. To port is the guest VIP stateroom, which features a queen berth, excellent storage options, and a private entrance to the guest head. The guest head can be entered from the starboard cabin or the passageway and includes a vanity with elegant glass sink, toilet, and walk-in shower with glass door and elegant features. To starboard is a comfortable guest cabin that features 2 twin beds and plenty of storage options. The spacious master stateroom is located forward. This stateroom features a large queen berth located centerline with easy access from both sides. There are hanging lockers and drawers, offering a significant amount of well-organized storage in the cabin. This beautiful and spacious cabin enables you to savor moments of privacy and rest and is a perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The private master stateroom head includes a beautiful vanity with elegant glass sink, a toilet, and spacious walk-in shower with glass door and beautiful stainless steel fixtures. The engine room is accessed through the cockpit deck and is easy and safe to go below. The Marquis 500 has a superb engine room with easy access to the 3 Volvo 370 horsepower diesel engines. The engines and the boat's mechanical equipment have been well maintained and are in excellent condition. The yacht is equipped with a Kohler generator. With excellent build quality and craftsmanship, along with great performance thanks to the powerful diesel engines, the 2011 Marquis 500 Sportbridge offers an appealing combination of performance, comfort, and craftsmanship for those looking for a luxurious performance yacht. To book your appointment to view this Marquis 500, contact Little Yacht Sales.